Hi, everybody. My name is Victoria. Welcome to my channel. Please like and comment this video, it will help to promote my channel. I really appreciate your help. Today I want to pay attention to modeling eyelashes. The girl did the extension for the first time, so it was important not to spoil the impression of the procedure. Let's look at the eyelashes before the extension. In the outer part of the eye, the eyelashes have a very strong curl, so here we will make the length shorter, and in the central part of the eyelashes are straighter, so here you can make the length longer. Also pay attention to the slight overhang of the eyelids, it is desirable to hide it. For this reason, I decided to emphasize the central part of the eye, thus I will hide the eyelid overlay. I will be performing the extensions in a soft doll effect. Curl C thickness 0, 1, length from 5 to 9. I have attached the scheme of this extension for you. Let's get started. I used reusable patches and glued them for the first time in this work. There were some difficulties along the way, but I will make sure to shoot you a separate video with a review. After gluing the patches, as always, I proceed to degrease the eyelashes, and then begin to perform the extension. Look how the girl's eyelid shakes, it does happen from time to time and it's not easy to work with such eyes. Some have it only for 15 minutes, and others have it throughout the procedure. I do not recommend telling the client that her eyelids are shaking and that she is interfering with the procedure, because then she will get worried, and her eyelids will shake even more. I decided to tighten the inner corner a bit with silicone tape, as I could not see the bases of the lashes in this area. After tightening, I make sure to check with a mirror if my eye is open. Next, I will show you how I choose the length. Ideally, the artificial eyelash should be larger than the native one by a maximum of 2 mm. This length will be comfortable for the client and will look natural. With the help of a mirror, you will be able to see how the eyelashes will look when the eye is open. You can pause the video to get a better look at the artificial eyelash. Sometimes the client has moles in the lash growth area. I suggest gluing lashes 1 or 2 lengths shorter over the mole to create an even lash line. At the end of the work, I do an inspection for glues and missing lashes. I believe it turned out to a very beautiful work. Visually the look became more open, and the extension turned out to be very natural. The girl was satisfied. Thank you all who watched to the end. Write in the comments what you would like to see in the next videos. Subscribe to the channel and bye bye.